get on this road, because they're gonna stop, especially North Carolina. I'm gonna stop in North Carolina like 3 times or 2 times within 3 months. South Carolina was once. A DOT inspection, getting one right now, but I'm not worried. Top of the morning, y'all. Hey, I wasn't even gonna record today, but I'm gonna go ahead and record. I'm currently at a weigh station. DOT inspection. I'll tell you right now, make sure your stuff is right when you get on this road, because they're gonna stop, especially North Carolina. I'm gonna stop in North Carolina like 3 times or 2 times within 3 months. South Carolina was once. A DOT inspection, getting one right now, but I'm not worried. I know my stuff is right. I do my inspections. My paperwork is right. Everything's up to date. You know what I mean? So that's where we at with that right now. But Lumberton. Stay out of Lumberton. Stay out of Lumberton. What's up, y'all? What's up? Okay, so I got my DOT inspection. It's level 3 this time. All the other time was level 1. Level 1, they're gonna take forever. They're gonna do everything, check everything, make sure everything is. So I got my inspection. Now, of course, I passed. You gotta keep your stuff up to date, guys. Make sure everything, your logbook, you logging in on time, logging out on time. Make sure you no violation, stuff like that in there. So yeah, but Lumberton, North Carolina, stay away from it, man. It's another one too. It's an exit 52, exit 151. They always stop me for some reason. I don't know if I look hot or what, but you know what? My stuff's so organized. I don't even think they go too far. Once I get my book, you gotta make sure everything is organized. You know what I'm saying? You look like a dirt bag. They're gonna dig more. They gonna dig more. But if all your stuff look together, you got it together. You give me before I get my photo. My photo very professional. No kingdom business. They said, what is ambassador for the kingdom? We can't mess with him. He backed up. You know, I got legions of angels behind me. You know what I'm saying? They know what it is. So, yeah, I passed it. But even when you know your stuff together, man, just going through the weigh station, man, like, you're always nervous because you never know. You can do your pre-trip that morning. Everything. You drive down the road and something could be set different now. Something might expire in your book. You think you're up there, man. I need to check it when I get home. I haven't checked it in about 2 months. I checked it not too long ago. I'm gonna check it again. You know. But yeah, but make sure you keep your stuff up to date, man. This ain't even gonna be a long video. I just want to let y'all know that South Carolina, North Carolina, man, look, I don't know what it is about them. I know I got a couple peoples out there. It seems like they always get their inspection. The sun messed up, but it's all good. Y'all get the point. It seems like they always pulling people, man. I don't know what it is, man. The dude who just pulled me, he gave me my first inspection. I said, dang, bro, like, but you know, I pulled up, he came up, you know, I had that gospel music going. You know, he probably, okay, man of God, that's what's up. And that wasn't even no strategy or game with that, but hey, why not? Leverage my kingdom. I got privilege. I got favor. I leverage that. So, you know, he took my information, he asked for my registration, my BOL, and my license. Registration, I just gave him the whole folder. I know my folder put together right. He opened that folder like, this dude got it together. Okay. He ain't gonna go no further. He asked my logbook also. So make sure your logbook is up to par. Make sure you ain't doing no slick stuff in your logbook, man, because you might get away with it 1,000 times, but that one time they catch you. Sorry about the shaking of the camera too, man. But that one time they catch you. You know know what I'm saying? So make sure you log up today. Don't try to be do nothing instead. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, that's it, man. I just want to tap in with y'all, let y'all know what was going on. Y'all family, man. Y'all in my life. I'm headed back to Florida right now because I got an event that I gotta go to. So today what, Tuesday? Yeah. I might just drop this today. Yeah. Y'all gonna get this today. Yeah, I recorded this today. I ain't gonna drop no date on, but it's a Tuesday. Yeah, today. It's about to be September. Let's do it like that. So, yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like, subscribe, and share again, man. It's your boy Lando.
Listen, babe, every time I see you